Aloha guys! I hope you have tried out the method of how to repair thread bangles. And today, my continuation again for thread earrings or tassel. Alright, as you can see, here you go. I hope you can see it clearly. All the damaged tassel earrings. Okay, probably even when you place it like this, even you arrange it like this for long run, it will become crumple and so on. All right, just a sample. All right, so today I'm going to teach you a method how to get this back to normal as new. You see this? One of the earring I repaired, and this is the damaged one. All right, I will show you a simple method. Actually, tassel earring, and this is a Latkan's tassel for your sari blouse. Both works the same way. You can save it. All right, instead of throwing, you can save it. Okay, so let me show you how. All you need is your heated up hair straightener. This is mine. Okay, so make sure it's heated out for some time, and then all you need to do is just iron it. Just like you iron your hair, but it's going to take some time. You have to do it like a few times. I hope you can see it very clearly. All right, let me do it. Do it. Okay, yeah. Can you see that? Believe it. It's getting better, right? You can see it as good as new. See that? As good as new. So guys, next time, do not throw away your crumpled tassel earrings or latkans. Okay, your sari blouse tassel. Do not throw it away. We have a tips, and I hope you guys can follow the tips. Yeah. Bye. Aloha.